Alright, so I figured out how to calibrate the dial. It's really easy. You just lock this thing down, and then you adjust the main dial, so let's put it off.
For complete details, try
So this is 880.
For the most comprehensive coverage of all New York sports, tune into Geico.
This is AM 880, and we're at 887, 886 kilohertz. So we got to adjust it. So we'll turn to 880 and lock this thing in. We'll peak this.
Make sure you stick with that Parkway. As far as coming home from the Hamptons, haven't seen anything too terribly heavy yet on Montauk Highway or Sunrise Highway as you make your way westbound through Suffolk County into Nassau.
There we go. We'll ease this up.
Just some delays on the eastbound side getting into Q. Grand Central slow from the LIE and through Q. We got the Mets and Yankees in Flushing, so we're going to try to get eyes on the Grand Central and also the Whitestone Expressway.
Maybe a little lower.
Crossbrook Expressway eastbound at Webster Avenue, an accident.
We'll crank this down again.
North of the inbound GW Bridge, an accident cleared from the lower. Now there's a stalled vehicle on the upper level in the left lane. So inbound George is about 30 for the upper deck, 20 for the lower. Inbound Holland Tunnel 30. Minor delays at the Lincoln. Both the Holland and Lincoln tunnels look good coming out of
That's so hard to tell.
In McDonald's and McCafe, Chopper Indian. I'll have Garden State Parkway in less than 10 minutes on CBS.
Meteorologist Todd Glickman is here with our 5-day forecast.
And Tanya, for those going to Citi Field to the game this evening, you might want to bring along a light jacket or sweater because by the third or fourth inning, the sun will be down. It's going to start to get rather cool.
Should be good enough. Let's see how accurate it is.
And you mentioned Hillary Clinton in this interview. You're going to Iowa. You're going to New Hampshire.
770. I don't know what these AM stations are. 740.
It's unbelievable. How sick does that make you sound, just to think about the fact.
10. They seem to go on the tens of kilohertz, so.
I think it's been as good as anybody I've ever seen pitch with metal on base.
660.
That's what Phelps does. He doesn't panic when it's...
610. There's a carrier there. There's nothing on it. 600 even. About 40. Wow. No idea what that is. Let's see what's down low. Doesn't appear to be much. Can't quite tune in 60 hertz. Oh wait, no, you should be able to do 60 kilohertz. Let's go to 60 hertz. Well, there's 0. I'm willing to bet that's probably the 60 hertz line. Anyway, so there it is. The R-390 is working now. Let's see what else has to be done. It all seems to be functioning just fine. Okay, here's something else that's cool. The calibration. So here's how this should be calibrated. Turn the DFO on. Try over to Cal. There it is. There's the Cal signal. So that's interesting. That's a Cal signal. So Cal might be off by a few kilohertz. Cool. So every 100 kilohertz is the Cal signal. So if we set this to 1.9 as an example. Oops. So we zero beat the Cal and let off the brake. Cool. So now it's calibrated. Every 100 we should. There it is. Oops. Alright, let's adjust it here. Check down here. Wonder if there's a tuning linearity issue. Okay. Let's go down here. Yeah, that's about right. It's interesting because it's a little off every 1 megahertz. Should be the same. It's close, but it's a little off every time you... It's alright, I think it's close enough. Very interesting receiver. Okay, we're listening to some 20 meter. Copy both these guys, no problem. The BFO is a little
CQDX, CQDX. This is Kilo 4 Charlie Mike Echo.
I think the BFO might be a little off, but we'll see. We'll tune around a little more. stuff on this channel. Jesus. Someone's tuning in.
Meters. This is Echo India 2 Post X-ray Bravo. Calling CQ on 20. Para acá está lloviendo bastante, créeme, bastante. Mucha lluvia.
Radio seems to have no problem tuning in sideband stations.
Anyway, falling fun. PK from November 4 Lima Echo Mike.
Jeez, this guy's wild.
Thank you very much, Lane. Thank you very much. Ciao, ciao. Ciao. Who could not copy you, Petco? How are you today? QSL, Petco, beautiful signal coming from your 35 over.
S9, beautiful signal from Bulgaria. LZ1QI, always a pleasure. November 4 Lima Echo Mike. Okay,
20's wide open. It's a very nice radio.
Yes, I don't know why they don't.
Okay, so I've installed a power cord right here, bypassing the power entry module, which is there, because the power entry module's capacitors are too high in value and they're tripping the GFCI. I don't think they're leaky. I think they're just too high in value. They're I think they're 0.1 microfarads or something like that. So I put a 0.01 safety cap between the hot and chassis ground. I've grounded the chassis, and here's the fuse. Reconnected the fuse. So I tested it out. It doesn't blow the GFCI. So I think this thing is almost ready to go.